Hello everyone. So today in this video we will learn how you can insert shapes, symbols and word art in your MS Word document. This is a very small session in MS Word unit in class 10. You can learn in this unit how you can insert shapes, symbols and word art in your MS Word document. So let's start. This session is already given in NCERT book. You can see here. This is NCERT book. This is session 11. In class 10 information technology NCERT book session 11. If you use any reference book, अगर कोई आप प्राइवेट पब्लिशर्स की बुक यूज़ करते हैं फॉर इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी तो हो सकता है सेशन आगे पीछे हो जाए. In my book it is given session 10, but in NCERT it is given session 11. So there is no problem. Ultimately we have to understand what is insert, shape, symbol and special character. Okay, here is given insert shape, symbols and special special characters. Special character means word art. Here I have written word art. Special character means word art. So first of all we will learn how you can insert shapes in MS Word document. So listen, आपको एग्जाम में क्वेश्चन कैसा आता है? आपको एग्जाम में क्वेश्चन ऐसा आएगा कि आपसे एग्जामिनर पूछेगा कि राइट द स्टेप्स टू इंसर्ट शेप्स इन MS Word डॉक्यूमेंट. MS Word में आपको शेप्स इंसर्ट करने के लिए क्या स्टेप्स होती है. तो आई विल सजेस्ट यू कि जो बुक में स्टेप्स लिखे हैं आप उसको मत रटें. आप जैसे प्रैक्टिकल करते हैं सेम वे में आप उसको कॉपी में लिखें. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल विल लर्न हाउ टू इंसर्ट विल लर्न दिस वन हाउ टू इंसर्ट शेप्स इन MS Word डॉक्यूमेंट. ठीक है. So this is my MS Word document. So first of all you have to click on this insert option. When you will click this on this insert option, you can see a shape option here. You have to click on this shapes option. So when you will click on this shapes option, you can see various shapes are available here. You can use any shapes. Suppose I want to draw this shape, so you can select. You can select this shapes according to your requirement. अब क्वेश्चन आता है कि shapes की ज़रूरत कहाँ पड़ती है. तो listen, whenever you make we'll talk only for the student. like जब आप schools में होते हैं आपको teachers projects देते हैं, आपको रिपोर्ट्स क्रिएट करना पड़ती है, आप कोई प्रेजेंटेशन में जाते हैं. सो यू कैन यूज दिस काइंड ऑफ शेप्स टू मेक योर प्रोजेक्ट रिपोर्ट मोर अट्रैक्टिव. ओके, सो यू कैन यूज वेरियस काइंड ऑफ शेप्स हियर. आपको हो सकता है एरोज वगैरह की ज़रूरत हो तो यू कैन यूज एरोज फ्रॉम हियर. यू कैन जस्ट क्लिक इट एंड यू कैन ड्रैग इट. You can like draw this. So there are various shapes which is given in already given in MS Word. Like this you can use this banner feature. So like this you can insert shapes in MS Word document. If you want to color it, which is very easy, just double click on this. So when you will double click on this, so you will see the functions will appear here, which features will appear here related to all this shape option. So you can just click on any color which you want to fill. Like this you can use this fill option. Okay, so this was for shapes. Like this you have to click on this. Now how you can write in the exam. जब आपको क्वेश्चन आता है कि write the steps to insert shapes in MS Word document, so how you can write. You can write here in your own language. We will first of all we'll click on a insert tab. We'll click on a shape option and we will select any shapes and we will simply draw it. So you can write the answers in your own language also. Book की language को रटने की there is no need to directly write the bookish language. You can write the answers in according to your understanding also. Okay, so this was write the steps to insert the shapes. Now next is right how you can insert a symbols. So symbol is also very easy. देखिए symbols क्या होता है. On your keyboard there are only few numbers and some special characters available. But if you want some special symbol, so you will have to use this symbol option which is given. Again you have to go on a click on an insert tape and then you have to click on a symbol option. When you will click on the symbol option you will see various symbols are here. So you can simply click it, so automatically the symbol will appear here. Insert symbol. like this. So many symbols are available. If you want more symbols, so you can click it. So more symbol, this is pi symbol. So many symbols are available here. You can simply click it and you can select and you click on insert, so automatically that symbol will appear in your MS Word document. Okay, now let's talk about special character, which is also word art. Okay, so what is word art? See, whenever you make any project in your school, तो आपको first page पे आपके school का नाम लिखना होता है. So suppose I'm making this first page Saint Arnold of my project higher secondary school. So I want this text should be displayed in a attractive format. You can use word art feature of MS Word here. So what you have to do here, you have to click on this insert and you have to click on this word art option. Here is given word art option. So what you have to do here, you have to select this word art option. Now I'm removing this. You have to click on this word art option and you can select any design whichever you want. Suppose I'm selecting this design. So your text is here, that means now you have to type your text which you want to display in that format which you have selected. So I'm writing my school name here, Saint Arnold Higher Secondary School. Okay, you can change the font size, font design also from here, whatever you want. Okay, make it Arial only. Okay, Saint Arnold. So see, the name has appeared in the same format which you have selected, Saint Arnold Higher Secondary School. Okay, so like this you can use word art feature also. Again, one more type, click on insert, then click on a word art option which is given here. You can select any text. Suppose this time, now let's select this text. I want in round shape my school name, so just simply type Saint Arnold Higher Secondary School. Click on OK button. So you will see the Saint Arnold School name will appear in a round shape like this. You can change the color also, which is very easy. You can simply select this word art and click on this shape fill option and you can fill the color, which is very easy. Okay, to try to use all this feature, see, it is very simple. When you will click on this word art, you will see various features which automatically will appear here. So you can click on this all, you can click on this all this feature and you can use it. When you will click on this feature, automatically you will see what is happening when you will click on that particular features. So that this is overall about how you can insert shapes, how you can insert symbols, and how you can insert special characters. Special character means word art in your MS Word document. See, again, let's do quick revision. Insert shapes, which is very easy. You have to click on an insert option and you have to click on this shape option, so you can easily insert shapes from here. Same way, if you want to select symbols, so you can click on an insert option and you can select symbols from here. Word art, which is very easy, click on an insert and word art option. So I hope you like this video. So wait for my next video. We'll cover all the topic of this unit, MS Word. Thank you for watching the video.